Welcome to our cozy corner of creativity. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through 14 budget-friendly French country chic winter decor concepts that bring warmth, charm, and elegance to your home. From rustic mantels and frosted greenery to charming vignettes and festive outdoor settings, these ideas are designed to inspire your inner decorator without breaking the bank. Perfect for creating a welcoming ambience, each concept blends timeless French aesthetics with the magic of winter. Whether you're styling your living room, bedroom, or porch, we've got something special for every corner of your home. Sit back, relax, and let us show you how to transform your space into a cozy winter retreat, full of rustic charm and seasonal elegance. Idea number 1. Rustic winter table setting. The scene captures a quintessential French country dining setup designed for winter gatherings. The table is a centerpiece of rustic charm, with a soft linen tablecloth draped over its weathered wood surface. Each place setting features ceramic plates resting on wooden chargers, with simple cloth napkins tied in twine. Mismatched vintage chairs add a casual yet curated feel, while brass candle holders with glowing candles create an intimate warmth. Pine cones and sprigs of fresh greenery, such as eucalyptus or rosemary, provide natural accents that evoke the season. The backdrop features subtle fairy lights twinkling against a frosty window pane, giving a magical wintry vibe. The overall atmosphere is serene and inviting, with a balance of elegance and simplicity. Idea number 2. Vintage mantel makeover. This concept transforms a classic French country fireplace into a winter masterpiece. The aged wooden mantel serves as the perfect base, adorned with an asymmetrical garland of eucalyptus and frosted pine cones. A vintage mirror with an ornate frame sits above, reflecting the soft glow of white pillar candles that are carefully arranged on the mantel. Rustic lanterns add a hint of whimsy, while knit stockings hang casually, adding a homey touch. The stone wall backdrop exudes warmth and texture, further enhancing the old-world charm. The subtle mix of green, white, and warm amber tones creates an effortlessly chic atmosphere that feels cozy yet sophisticated. Idea number 3. Wintery window ledge nook. The window ledge is a serene winter escape, with its rustic wooden shutters left slightly ajar to frame a snowy countryside view. Frosted greenery intertwined with fairy lights creates a glowing border along the ledge. A stack of vintage books rests on one side, inviting quiet moments of reflection, while a steaming teacup adds an element of comfort. Snow-dusted ornaments are scattered thoughtfully, catching the soft light that reflects off the frosty glass. Nearby, a woolen blanket in muted tones drapes casually, suggesting warmth amidst the chill. The interplay of textures, wood, greenery, and soft fabrics, brings this peaceful vignette to life, creating a dreamy, intimate corner perfect for winter mornings. Idea number 4. Cozy cottage bedroom. This bedroom exudes French country charm with a winter twist. At the center is a wrought iron bed dressed in layers of linen bedding, accented with chunky knit throws and overfilled pillows for maximum comfort. A vintage wooden nightstand holds a small vase of winter greenery, while soft string lights frame the headboard, casting a magical glow. The floor is adorned with a faux fur rug, adding an element of luxury to the otherwise rustic space. Muted earth tones dominate, with hints of green and white tying the winter theme together. The dim candlelight enhances the coziness, making the room feel like the perfect retreat from the cold. Idea number 5. Elegant kitchen accents. This kitchen balances functionality with aesthetic appeal, capturing the heart of French country chic. Rustic wooden shelves are neatly arranged with vintage crockery and gleaming copper pots, while a subtle garland dusted with faux snow runs along the edges. A farmhouse sink takes center stage, its apron front adorned with a small vase of fresh greenery. Delicate fairy lights strung along the backsplash provide a touch of warmth and whimsy, illuminating the soft textures of stone and wood. The overall design feels like an embrace of the simple joys of winter living, perfect for both cooking and gathering. Idea number 6. Rustic winter entryway. This entryway welcomes you with its charming, rustic ambience. A weathered wooden bench is the centerpiece, topped with cozy knit cushions and layered blankets in soft, neutral tones. Above the bench hangs a vintage coat rack, adorned with scarves and a wide-brimmed hat, evoking a sense of casual elegance. At the base of the bench, snow-dusted boots rest on the floor alongside a woven basket filled with firewood, hinting at warmth waiting inside. A simple enamel pitcher filled with frosted greenery sits on a side table, adding a fresh yet wintry touch. The muted lighting and textured stone wall tie the space together, creating a cozy, functional, and aesthetically pleasing entry for wintertime. Idea number 7. Frosted ladder display. This decorative leaning ladder offers a simple yet striking way to add French country charm to your winter decor. The wooden ladder, with its distressed finish, is draped with soft knit throws and delicate scarves in muted tones of cream and gray. Sprigs of pine and frosted ornaments are tucked into the rungs, adding natural elegance. A subtle string of fairy lights winds around the ladder, casting a warm and cozy glow. At the base, rustic lanterns filled with candles provide additional light, creating soft, flickering shadows. This setup is perfect for a corner of a living room or bedroom, blending functionality with a touch of holiday magic. Idea number 8. Farmhouse coffee table display. This coffee table setup invites relaxation with its mix of rustic elements and winter-themed accents. A vintage wooden tray is the centerpiece, holding a charming teapot, 2 ceramic mugs, and a petite vase of frosted greenery. A stack of weathered books adds height and interest, while pine cones are scattered casually for a seasonal touch. Surrounding the tray, a few candles and simple holders provide a soft, flickering light, enhancing the cozy atmosphere. A chunky knit throw is draped over one corner of the table, softening the look and adding texture. The muted tones and natural materials make this vignette perfect for curling up with a warm drink on a cold day. Idea number 9. Chic outdoor patio. This outdoor patio exudes winter charm while maintaining French country elegance. Wooden furniture is softened with cozy knit cushions and faux fur throws, creating a warm and inviting space despite the chilly weather. A small fire pit in the center provides both warmth and ambience, with a woven basket of firewood nearby to emphasize practicality. A rustic wooden table holds arrangements of frosted greenery and simple candles, while fairy lights are strung overhead, casting a soft glow against the snowy surroundings. Snow-dusted shrubs frame the scene, enhancing its natural beauty. This cozy yet sophisticated setting is perfect for enjoying winter evenings under the stars. Idea number 10. Vintage cabinet styling. This vintage cabinet showcases a perfect balance of practicality and winter charm. The open shelves display neatly stacked plates and ceramic pitchers, with sprigs of frosted greenery tucked between them for a festive touch. Small, snow-dusted pine cones add texture and seasonal flair, while tiny wreaths adorn the cabinet doors, tying the theme together. Soft fairy lights are woven through the shelves, creating a warm and magical glow. The cabinet itself, with its distressed paint finish, stands on rustic wooden flooring, adding to the French country aesthetic. This setup is an excellent way to transform everyday storage into a beautiful seasonal display, blending functionality with decorative appeal. Idea number 11. Charming winter porch. This cozy porch setting invites guests with its rustic charm and winter accents. A weathered wooden bench is topped with plaid cushions and layered with woolen throws, creating a warm, welcoming seating area. To one side, a vintage lantern glows softly, while a wooden crate filled with firewood adds both practicality and aesthetic appeal. Galvanized buckets filled with frosted greenery and pine cones sit at varying heights, adding texture and a touch of the outdoors. A hand-painted welcome sign leans against the wall, reinforcing the inviting atmosphere. Snow-dusted railings and steps frame the scene, making it feel like a picture-perfect winter escape. This design strikes a balance between functionality and festive elegance. Idea number 12. Frosted shelf vignette. This wall shelf is a serene winter vignette that combines French country elegance with seasonal warmth. The weathered white backdrop highlights the carefully curated decor: stacks of vintage books bound in twine, ceramic vases with frosted greenery, and delicate fairy lights strung along the edges. Snow-dusted pine cones are scattered artfully among the items, while small rustic signs and a vintage clock add personality and charm. The muted color palette of whites, greens, and soft browns gives the arrangement a cohesive, calming look. This frosted shelf vignette is perfect for creating a subtle yet festive ambience in living rooms, kitchens, or entryways. Idea number 13. Festive French cottage bathroom. This French country bathroom is transformed into a winter sanctuary. The centerpiece is a classic clawfoot tub, surrounded by soft, glowing candles in vintage holders that create an intimate and relaxing atmosphere. A frosted greenery wreath hangs on the wall above, adding a festive touch without overwhelming the serene design. A wooden stool nearby holds neatly folded towels, offering both practicality and rustic charm. The windowsill is adorned with a delicate frosted garland, while string lights provide a warm, ambient glow. The soft knit rug underfoot completes the cozy aesthetic. This setting combines the elegance of a French cottage with the inviting warmth of winter decor, offering a spa-like retreat in your home. Idea number 14. Whimsical winter staircase. This whimsical staircase transforms an everyday feature into a festive focal point. A garland of frosted greenery and twinkling fairy lights winds gracefully along the railing, casting a soft, magical glow. At the base of the staircase, vintage wooden sleds lean casually, adding charm and nostalgia. Small lanterns with glowing candles are placed at intervals on the steps, creating a warm and inviting pathway. Pine cones are scattered thoughtfully, blending with the natural textures of the greenery and wood. The rustic stone-textured wall in the background enhances the French country aesthetic, providing a timeless and elegant backdrop. That's all the 14 budget-friendly French country chic winter decor ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cozy decor ideas.